Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. And if you're new, welcome. Today we're going to be doing our Ipsy Glam bag. It came a little late for me. I think everybody else already got theirs. I do have quite a few add-ons in here. Maybe that's why. Maybe I'm going to start putting my add-ons on a different, like the Plus or the Ultimate. Anyway, this is a $12 a month subscription, and it does come with deluxe, sample, and sometimes full-size products, generally 5 to 6 of them. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into it because I am excited to see my ColourPop palette, and I hope it is not broken because that is one of the items that was my add-on. So it better not be. It is right there. And let's make sure that it is not broke. So there's my add-on, the ColourPop Through My Eyes palette. Super excited for this. I couldn't believe it was on there. There is the packaging. So cute. And it is a little broken, but not enough for me to complain about. So if you can tell, this shade right here is a little broke, but that's okay. So happy about this palette. I can't believe it. I'm super happy. It does have a mirror on it. It's not broken. It's the plastic's all smushed up. Gorgeous. I am ecstatic about this. I'm not going to do swatches on this because I'm sure everybody's seen them, but I'm so happy for that. Now that was an add-on. That is not part of my box. So we have more stuff in here. Now I'm not going to remember what else my add-ons were. Okay. Unless it's the thing that just flew across the room. And it is. It is a Mandymillerbeauty blush. So excuse me while I grab that really quick. Sorry, I know I just hit the camera. But it just flew across my room. So sorry about that, guys. Let's go ahead and see what else was my add-ons. So this is what just flew across the room, and that is the Bounce and Blur Bare Minerals blush. If I can get into it. Probably not. All right, come out, come out, come out. Nicely packaged, so hopefully it is not broke. There is the outer packaging. Okay, very tiny, but that is okay. It is definitely something that I will use. And it is in the shade Mauve Sunrise. There is a swatch. And there is that. All right. Moving on to the next item. If I can not drop things. And this is a SS Miss Glam brush. And it is a tapered face. I think it's very pretty. I guess we'll have to see. That was an add-on. And I don't know if this was an add-on or not. Probably because it's a highlighting brush as well. And it is from Pro, the BMX 265 Glow. And there's that. So those are probably, unless this was part, I don't remember. We'll have to see if that, how many items I have and if that was an add-on or not. Okay, so here's the bag this month. It is similar to the other bags we got, just smaller. Does have Ipsy there and a tassel here. Open it up and your products are inside. I have a card. And let's see, does this have my items on it? It does, because it did not have my items on my Ultimate box. So the theme is Wild Side. And this is the third time I'm reading this, but I'll read it one more time. This month, dare to step into uncharted territory, electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By Okay, so this is the third time I've read it and I still can't get it right. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of you. And then it has what's coming up, which we've all seen, and then my products. Okay, so this brush is one of my items, which I don't knock. I love getting brushes. So this is the Royal and Langnickel Moda Pro glow brush that has a piece of my hair on it already. No, that's weird. That is a piece of the synthetic hair down inside the brush. I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not. but that's definitely weird. Okay, so yes, you can play favorites. This hard-working brush precisely highlights, sets under eyes, and blends out harsh edges, making it much loved at Ipsy HQ. With silk touch and waterproof handles and a luxe synthetic fiber blend, you'll be able to glow like the pros. So, like that, definitely love getting brushes. All right, the next item is from Murad, and here is that. And it's Murad Essential C-Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. And it says, here's your yearly reminder that yes, you need to wear SPF even in the fall. This lightweight moisturizer contains SPF 30 to help shield skin from environmental aggressors and sun damage while brightening with vitamin C. It's great for all skin tones. So let's see how small this really is. The box looks decent, but then when you open it up, I bet you it's tiny. Okay, I've seen worse. I've definitely seen worse. That's not that bad. There is 0.33 fluid ounces in that. So that's a nice product to get. So there's Reba. As you can see, she's feeling better now. I think there might be a delivery driver here with another package of mine. So excuse the barking. I'm sorry. Okay, Reba, we know. We know, honey. We know. It's okay. It's all right. It's going to be okay. All right. So if you don't mind the barking, we're going to move on to the next item. And it is from Ipsy by Petra. Reba, stop it. Please. Stop. It's okay. It's okay. All right. So she might continue to bark. I am sorry, you guys. Ipsy by Petra. It is sealed up good. That's got plastic on it, plus it had the bubble wrap on it. Let me get... Actually, you know what? I'm not going to take the plastic off of this because this will probably go in a future giveaway. So, Reba says hello, and I do believe it's the FedEx driver that's outside, probably dropping off another package of mine. Maybe it's my missing BoxyCharm package. That would be nice, but that's a whole different story. So this is Ipsy by Petra Memorizing Mineral Duo in Mineral Bronze. Time is precious and no one knows oh my goodness. I cannot read today, but I can't read any day if you guys are regulars of mine. Time is precious and no one knows that better than Ipsy by Petra's founder, a mom of 4. Her multitasking products are made to fit your on-the-go life. This Ipsy exclusive eyeshadow duo features a buttery smooth gray taupe on the left side and a deep bronze on the right. So that is really cute, and that will most likely go in a future giveaway. So I'm going to put that right back in its bubble wrap because I have those colors for sure. All right, we have 2 more items left. And I thought that I would get a Gigi Gorgeous item in this, but I guess not, because this is the Gigi collab. But I'm not complaining because I got 2 beautiful Gigi Gorgeous products in my other ones. I got the bronzer and the blush. So this item, I have no idea. Lipstick in Opus, O-P-U-S. This deep berry lipstick will take you stylishly through the season with its rich, pigmented, intensely hydrating formula. It's infused with shea butter, vitamin E, and pomegranate fruit extract to strengthen and protect your lips. So let's see how dark it really is. Okay, that is pretty dark. I don't know if I should swatch that or not. I'm probably not going to swatch this, yeah, because I don't know if that will go in a future giveaway or not. That's quite deep. I probably won't use that. And now to the last item, which I am excited to see in an Ipsy box or Ipsy bag or whatever, Ipsy anything. It is a MAC product, which you don't see very often. I don't know if you guys, yeah, because it's not going to show because of the writing, but it is Cleanse Off Oil. Sometimes removing your makeup feels almost as good as wearing it. Made by iconic beauty brand MAC, this gentle oil cleanser gets rid of your most stubborn makeup, and it's made with vitamin E, olive fruit, jojoba seed, and primrose oils to hydrate, nourish, and protect your skin. So that's awesome. I've never used this, and I do like MAC products. It smells pretty good, so I'm definitely going to give that a shot. And I wanted to throw in there because I told you in my ultimate, I think, video that I was going to try this palette and give it a go. I do not like it. It is similar to the last palette that they sent us. If you can see, I dug and dug and dug and dug into that shade, and it just seems like it's not. I have it on my eyes today. I had these two on. I had to take them off because they just did not blend well. Took them off, put another base down, then tried to put this one on. Tried to put that in my inner corner, and then I ended up putting a glitter over top of it because it just did not work. I had high hopes for this palette, and it just let me down again like the other one. So, I mean, I'll give it one more shot, but I just wanted to let you guys know because I told you I would keep you updated on that. So, not for me. All right, let's recap our Ipsy Glam bag. So, we have our cute little bag. We have a MAC product. We have a Murad product. We have a Moda Pro, a Pixie. So, I mean, all great items. And this lipstick. Not complaining. I mean, at this rate, it may be better than what the Ultimate. Now, I'm just kidding. I had a really good Ultimate bag. I'm not going to say I didn't. But this is really good. I am impressed. I'm happy. I don't dislike this at all. I'm really impressed for $12. So, leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys get the Glam bag and what you got. If we got any similar items. Also, let me know if you tried that Wander Beauty palette and if it worked for you or not. And that's about it. I'm going to record a couple videos today, so I will probably have this up within the next few days. Other than that, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Have a fantastic day. Bye.